we can use diode as a power diode. We can use diode as a power supply because it will help to convert analog voltage or current into a discrete voltage or current. Means it can convert analog into a digital voltage. We can use diode as a signal sensor. If you see, this is the symbol for the signal diode. This is nothing but the Zener diode which we are supposed to see. Diode जो है उसका जो कैथोड का टर्मिनल है. If you see, we are taking one triangle like structure and at the end of that point we are drawing one vertical line in a PN junction. But if you see in the Zener diode symbol, it is quite different as compared to the PN junction diode. There you will be required one slanting line to the upward and to the downward side of that vertical line. This is the Zener diode and it will look like practically like this. And we can use Zener diode as a voltage regulator because in reverse biasing you will get constant amount of voltage with increment in a current. करंट का वैल्यू बढ़ेगा फिर भी वोल्टेज का वैल्यू कांस्टेंट हम दे रहे हैं. एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो यू विल गेट इंक्रीमेंट इन अ करंट. दैट वोल्टेज, the constant voltage, we can use as a voltage regulator. Again, we can use Zener diode as a voltage clipper. That can be used in a power supply circuit. Clipper means what? It will clip, means it will block some voltage and it will allow some voltage to flow. So this is the application of a diode. If you see, we can use diode as LED also. LED is nothing but when we are giving power supply to the diode. When we are giving power supply to the diode, at that time it will emit the light. वो क्या कर रहा है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को लाइट में कन्वर्ट कर रहा है. That electronic device we can say as a LED. If you see the symbol, it is exactly same with the PN junction diode except two outward arrow. जो कैथोड का पार्ट है उसके साइड ओनली वी आर टेकिंग टू आउटसाइड एरो. फॉर विच पर्पस? फॉर द इमिशन ऑफ अ लाइट. इफ यू सी, यू विल गेट LED in the different color, blue, red, yellow, you will get in the different color. So we can use LED diode for the emission of a light. Again, we can use diode as a photodiode. We can use diode as a tunnel diode. If you see practically, it will look like this, and this is the symbol for tunnel diode. Varactor diode, it means what? Variable. We can change the value of capacitor of that diode. That is nothing but a varactor. If you see, we are taking one diode and we are connecting cathode terminal first of all to the capacitor. That device we can say as a varactor. Diode plus capacitor, that is the varactor, and that capacitor is a variable. If you see, if you will needed the constant voltage, if you will needed constant one capacitor, you are supposed to take two vertical line. This concept you will be required in the basic electrical engineering. तो हम वो जो कैपेसिटर है दोनों वर्टिकल लेंगे सीधे लाइन. That time you can say that capacitor is a constant. And if you are taking one side of capacitor, it is looking like a, if you see, it is looking like a curve like structure. That is the variable capacitor. So we can say varactor diode is nothing but diode plus variable capacitor. That is the varactor. This is the photodiode. It will work exactly opposite with a LED. It will take electricity or it will take light. Can anyone tell me? LED का मैंने क्या बोला है? LED will take electricity and will convert that electricity into the light. So photodiode, what it will take? It will take electricity or it will take light?
It takes light to convert
Very
electricity.
Good. Very good. It takes the light and it will convert that light into a current. That device we can say as a photodiode. If you see symbol, it is exactly similar with LED. What is the difference? Except inward arrow, because it is taking the light. वो emit कर रहा था light को, ये ले रहा है light को. That's why these arrow are the insided. If you see practically, it will be look like this. We can say that we can use as a remote sensor. This is the laser divide. Now we will see one application of a diode. This is nothing but DC power supply. Rectifier, filter, voltage regulator, you will be required in this unit. But in DC power, what? Nikita Kadus, please mute yourself. Okay, see here, DC power supply. If you see in the our fourth unit, instrumentation, electronic instrumentation, you will require the block diagram. But here you have already studied about the diode. We are supposed to see about rectifier. That's why you will firstly see here DC power supply. So what DC power supply will do? It will convert analog voltage into a digital voltage. So we can see here how it will be look like. Now I will show you the block diagram for the DC power supply. This is the basic block diagram for the power supply. We are supposed to take power supply, which is nothing but we are taking 220 volt 50 hertz single phase, and we are giving that power supply to the transformer. What is the use of transformer? Can anyone tell me? Why we are using here transformer? Transformer का use क्या होता है? किसी को है कोई idea? If you see any our electronic device which we are using at our home, if you see the temporary fan we are using, if there is no electricity at that time, we are using the temporary batteries, temporary fans. This device, if you see and if you will open that, यदि किसी के घर पे मतलब है तो तुम यदि उसको ओपन करके देखोगे, at that time you will get there one electronic device in which there is a coil like structure, coil, copper coil, because here we are using the transformer which will convert voltage into a higher amount into a lower amount. There are two types of the transformer, step up, step down. Step up means what? Its primary voltage will be lower as compared to the secondary. Step up मतलब क्या? वो voltage को बढ़ाएगा. ये जो है, if you see the diagram on the left side where we are giving 220 volt 50 hertz, that transformer side we can say as a primary winding. Winding means what? जो अपना इंडक्टर का स्ट्रक्चर होता है, ये जो इंडक्टर का स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है यहाँ पे कर्व स्ट्रक्चर continuously, that is we are saying as a winding. If we are giving power supply to the transformer and here we are using the step down transformer. Step down means what? Its primary voltage is higher as compared to the secondary. Secondary voltage we are giving to the diode rectifier circuit. So when we are giving power supply to the transformer, it will convert that voltage into a required amount. जितना हमें चाहिए उसमें वो हमको convert करके देगा. And that voltage we are giving to the diode rectifier. You can see here I have given explanation on the lower side. Transformer, this transformer we are using as a step down. अभी भी ब्रेक हो रहा है?
नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक से आ रहा है.
Okay, हाँ, maybe there will be issue or here also I can't say anything. So you can see here when we are giving power supply to the step down transformer, it will convert that voltage into a required amount of voltage that will be given to the diode rectifier circuit. So what is the use of rectifier? You can see here हमने जो voltage दिया था वो साइनोसाइडल था. फर्स्ट हाफ जो है पॉजिटिव है, उसके बाद का हाफ जो है निगेटिव. एंड ट्रांसफॉर्मर क्या करता है? एज इट इज गिव दैट वोल्टेज इनटू अ एसी बट ओनली इनटू द रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट. ट्रांसफॉर्मर का यूज क्या होता है? इट विल कन्वर्ट दैट वोल्टेज इनटू अ रिक्वायर्ड, एक तो उसको बढ़ाएगा या फिर उसको कम करेगा। तो हम स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर यूज कर रहे हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा, जो हम वोल्टेज दे रहे हैं वो ज्यादा है, उतना हमें नहीं चाहिए, तो इट विल कन्वर्ट दैट वोल्टेज इनटू द रिक्वायर्ड लेस अमाउंट, एंड दैट वोल्टेज वी आर गिविंग टू द डायोड रेक्टिफायर। रेक्टिफायर का यूज क्या होता है, इट विल कन्वर्ट AC voltage into a DC. If you see, there are different type of rectifier, we will see in the next lecture, in the tomorrow's lecture. So here only I am saying about the rectifier, it will convert AC into a DC. You can see here हमने AC दिया था, but यहाँ पे जो डायोड के रेक्टिफायर का आउटपुट है, it is only in the upward side, and that is nothing but DC. So we can say diode rectifier will convert AC into a unipolar. Only it is giving that into a unipolar. That is voltage we are giving to the filter. What is the use of filter? It will remove the impulses. It will remove their pulsating DC into constant DC. ये जो हमारे पास पल्स का जो स्ट्रक्चर है, जो हमारे पास रेक्टिफायर का आउटपुट मिला है, that is pulsating DC. So it will convert that into a constant DC. After that again we can use their voltage regulator, because it is not exactly as a horizontal line. There is a small ripples. Ripples मतलब वो जो pulse होता है, that is we can say as a ripple. So what will voltage regulator will do? It will convert that ripple pulses into a constant DC voltage, which we can give to the output. At the output we can connect any load where you will be required that DC voltage. जो जहाँ पे हमें आउटपुट चाहिए, दैट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस वी आर सेइंग एज अ लोड, तो वहाँ पे तुम कोई भी, तुमको जो भी मतलब जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट कनेक्ट करना है एट दैट लोड यू कैन कनेक्ट. So here voltage regulator will convert that ripple pulses into a constant DC voltage, which we can give to the load circuit. So this is the simple block diagram for DC power supply circuit. DC power supply circuit will consist of step down transformer, rectifier, filter, voltage regulator and load. This is the basic DC power supply. If you want to see the waveform, you can see when we are giving AC supply, the first voltage, this is the AC. When we are using their rectifier, it will convert that into a second वाला जो voltage का diagram है, the waveform का, it will convert into a only unipolar AC voltage. Again, it will be converted into a very small ripple DC, that is done by a filter. After filter we are supposed to use again regulator. तो regulator क्या करेगा, उसको constant DC voltage में convert करके देगा. So these are the basic waveform for the voltage power supply. Now we are supposed to see about the rectifier. 10:45 को तुम्हारा कोई क्लास है क्या अभी?
11 को है मैडम.
But rectifier we will not finish in 20 minutes. Okay, I will just give you basic description about the rectifier and then we will stop. Okay, so here you can see about the rectifier. Rectifier means what? It is an electronic device which will convert AC voltage into a DC voltage. If you see, rectifier is classified into two types. These are nothing but half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier. Again, full wave rectifier is divided into two types. We can say these as a bridge rectifier and a full wave rectifier. Instead of two diode, you can directly give the name full wave rectifier. Why they have given their two diode? Because if you see the construction at that time, you will understand in the full wave rectifier, we are using the two diodes. In the half wave rectifier, we are using only one diode. In the bridge rectifier, we will use 4 diode. So you can say 4 diode bridge rectifier, 2 diode full wave rectifier, 1 diode half wave rectifier. But basically, rectifier are divided into two types. These are half wave, full wave. Full wave के दो type कौन से हैं? Full wave rectifier and bridge rectifier. We will see only about half wave rectifier today, and remaining we will see tomorrow. Okay, so half wave rectifier, as the name given, half wave rectifier, when we are giving external power supply to the diode, what will happen? We can say that process as a biasing, due to which there will be the movement of charge carrier, there will be the flow of current. ये हमने already देखा है. Are you getting me? समझ में आ रहा है सभी को?
Yes.
हाँ.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here, what we are supposed to do here? We are supposed to only use one diode, as we were used in the PN junction diode construction and its working principle. हमने क्या किया था? एक diode use किया था. Here we are supposed to give the power supply. हमने वहां पे भी दिया था, but there we are giving directly. But here we are supposed to convert that into a DC. And here, if you see, if we will take directly external power supply from our electricity, अपने switch से, so that is voltage is nothing but 230 volt. But if it is not required that much, we can use their step down transformer. तो वो क्या करेगा? जो voltage जितना चाहिए उतने less amount में उसको convert करके देगा. तो instead of directly battery, we can use here step down transformer. डायोड सेम जैसे हमने वहां पे यूज किया था वहां पे यहाँ पे भी करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट we were using one external resistance with the diode. If you remember the construction diagram for the diode and the working principle of diode, at that time we have used one diode, one battery and one resistor. Resistor why? Because to resist unwanted current. To resist unwanted current, we can use here one resistor. Now you can see here the diagram I will show you. This is the basic symbol. They are showing only half wave rectifier which will convert AC voltage into a DC. If you see at the pulsating DC, only it is converting in a half wave. Another half wave it is not giving anything. It is giving only 0 volt. यहाँ half wave में उसने 0 दिया है, उसके बाद वो फिर से दे रहा है. So that's why we are saying that rectifier as a half wave. When we are giving the sinusoidal input voltage from 0 to pi, it is only giving the output from 0 to pi by 2. और pi by 2 से pi के बीच में उसने 0 volt दिया है. You can see here. That's why we are giving that device as a name half wave rectifier. Now we will see the construction diagram so you will get the idea. You can see here. When there is a question in exam, you are supposed to draw block diagram for half wave rectifier or a circuit diagram for a half wave rectifier. If you will draw instead of this power supply, instead of this battery, ये जो circle है और circle में जो this is the sign, tilt sign. You can say this symbol as a tilt sign. Shrikant, please don't do like this. Okay, so here if we are giving external power supply, at that time instead of battery, यहाँ पे यदि तुम transformer draw करोगे, just wait. Instead of this, if you will draw the transformer step down, you will get full marks. You can draw this also, but if you are going above 80 marks out of 100, at that time your paper will check again. At that time they will see to deduct your mark, your silly mistake. So that's why I'm saying instead of this power supply, you can draw here step down transformer. So here we can say half wave rectifier circuit will consist of step down transformer, one diode and one resistor. Or we can say instead of this resistor, you can say here load. Resistor को हम load भी नाम दे सकते हैं. So when we are giving power supply to the diode, when we are giving power supply to the half wave rectifier, in half cycle it will convert AC voltage into a DC. And when you will give negative supply, if you see this alternating current, जब तुम ये ऊपर का voltage दे रहे हो, on the left side you are supposed to see here, when we are giving this voltage, I have given here alternating current. You can draw alternating voltage also. The same diagram will be. When we are giving alternating voltage, at that time, if we are giving half from 0 to pi by 2. This is from 0 to 180. It means what? Pi. ये पूरा वैल्यू कितना है? पूरे साइकिल का है, वन साइकिल. So this is from 0 to pi. But if you see, in first half cycle we are giving positive supply. In negative half cycle we are giving negative supply. This is the negative supply, the downward. So if we are giving positive supply to the half wave rectifier, at that time it will convert that. You can see here the diagram. When we are giving red arrow, you can see here the red first half circle. This is the red, and next downward, this is the black. This is the reverse negative voltage. But when we are giving positive supply to the diode, at that time diode will become forward bias, because we are connecting positive terminal to the p type. Anode मतलब क्या? p type. तो क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे रिपल्सन होगा, डिप्लीशन रीजन पूरी तरह रिमूव हो जाएगा, एंड देयर विल बी द मूवमेंट ऑफ चार्ज कैरियर, देयर विल बी द फ्लो ऑफ करंट when we are giving positive supply. And in next half cycle, if you see in the next half cycle, when we are giving negative supply, the downward curve, at that time what will happen? If we are connecting instead of positive, negative will connect to the p terminal. What will happen? Depletion region will go to increase, barrier potential will go to increase, and there will be no amount of current will flow. That's why only in the half circle you will get the voltage. After that there will be no amount of current or voltage you will get. So this is the basic half wave rectifier. Full wave we will see in the tomorrow session. If anyone is facing any doubt in the half wave, you can ask me. किसी को समझ में नहीं आया है तो तुम लोग पूछ सकते हो. If anyone is near to the college, and if possible, you can collect notes for first unit from me, and who are having the notes, when you are attending the class, at that time you are supposed to put these notes in front of you. At that time you will get. Priya Gunjan, she said please repeat. Okay, so you can see here, when we are giving positive terminal to the anode of diode and negative terminal we are connecting via resistor to the cathode in the positive half cycle, at that time there will be removal of a depletion region, and when given supply voltage will reaches to the barrier potential, at that time there will be the movement of charge carrier. जब हम पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल बैटरी का एनोड को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, निगेटिव टर्मिनल रेजिस्टर के थ्रू कैथोड को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो इन फर्स्ट हाफ साइकिल व्हाट विल हैपन? देयर विल बी द मूवमेंट ऑफ चार्ज कैरियर, मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉन होल्स का रिकॉम्बिनेशन होगा. दे विल मेक अ कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड एंड दे विल मेक फ्लो ऑफ करंट. करंट जो है फ्लो होगा, यू कैन सी हियर देयर विल बी द फ्लो ऑफ करंट. बट इन द नेगेटिव हाफ साइकिल, when we are connecting negative supply to the diode and positive supply to the cathode via resistor, there will be the increment in the width of depletion region. Barrier potential will go to increase, due to which, who's that guy? Please mute yourself. Due to which there will be the increment in depletion region, and there will be diode will work as a open switch. ये डायोड जो है ये रिमूव हो जाएगा वहां पे, तो यहाँ पे जो करंट है वो फ्लो ही नहीं होगा लोड के पास. दैट्स व्हाई when you are supposed to draw a diagram, waveform diagram for the half wave, when we are giving AC voltage to the half wave rectifier, it will convert that into a DC only in half cycle. हाफ साइकिल में देगा, फिर नहीं देगा, फिर और हाफ साइकिल में देगा, फिर नहीं देगा. So that's why if you are drawing the diagram for the output voltage or the output current in the half wave rectifier, it will be look like this. You can see that will be the waveform for the half wave rectifier. Output voltage, output current. Now you got the half wave rectifier. Okay. Okay. Now you guys can leave now and have a nice day. Tomorrow our lecture will be on the 8:45. Okay. Now I am concluding our session.